It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, rear wipers, and power front seats. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.